Hello everyone, I am still treating the topic of angle of elevation, and which this question on board will be one of the questions I will be solving. I have solved about 3 before, okay? So this one is another type of it. Please make sure you are following, subscribe, okay, for more, right? The question on board says, a man of 2 meters tall stands at a distance of 15 meters away from the base of a tower. He discovers that the angle of elevation to the top of the tower is 70 degrees. Calculate the height of the tower, all right? Now, let's continue immediately without wasting time. This is the height of the man, okay? Then this man is 2 meters tall, right? Now, the man is standing at, the man stands at 15 meters away from the base of a tower. 15 meters away from the base of a tower. Let's say this is the tower. So the man is standing 15 meters away from the base of the tower. Then this man, now the eye level of this man, that is the horizontal line from the eye of the man, is this, which is also the same distance with this one, still 15 meters. And this man discovers that the angle of elevation to the top of the tower is 70. So the man raised his eyes up, measuring it from the eye level to the top of the tower, and it will be 70 degrees. The angle of elevation will be 70 degrees. Now they will now ask us, what is the height of the tower? Remember that the man is 2 meters. So take away the 2 meters from the tower, okay? Here is also meter. Now what we're about to do now is to find the remaining height, which is here. Let's name it x. To find the remaining height here, we just add them together to get the height of the tower, all right? Now let's start. We still use our trigonometry. Considering this triangle here is 15, angle is given, then opposite to the angle is also the x. Now, which SOHCAHTOA method do we use? I think we will use tan. Tan says that tan 70 will equals to opposite all over adjacent to the angle, okay? Tan 70 equals to opposite, which is x, all over adjacent, which is 15. So what we are trying to do now is to find the remaining height. After finding the remaining height, we will now add it to get the height of the tower, okay? Now, making x subject of formula, what do we have? Of x, which will be 15 times tan 70 degrees, all right? Which now, when we find tan 70 degrees, what will it give us? It will now give us 15 times 2.75. Tan 70 is 2.75, and when we multiply out, what will it give us? 15 times 2.75 will give us what? 41.25 meters. So this one is 41.25 meters, okay? Now let us add it to the 2 meters to know the height of the tower. Now the height, let the height of the tower be h. Let us represent height of the tower to be h. And the height of the tower will now become these two, which we have taken away from the height of the man, okay? Plus x, which we calculated to be 41.25. And when we add up, we now have 43.25 meters. Answer becomes 43.25 meters. So the height of the tower, now is 43.25 meters. That is how to calculate one of these questions that came from angle of elevation and depression. Okay, so make sure you are following, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more technical questions concerning it. At least I will treat more different one of these before I can now enter into another topic. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless. Bye.